So I know I've said this to you before, but buy the pre-cut cake tin rounds or pre-cut cake tin stuff that goes in the bottom of your cake tin, as opposed to tracing around and trying to cut the thing. These come in massive packs that cost the same as parchment paper, but they cost less because they take less time, if you understand what I'm saying. Buy these, buy 8-inch and 9-inch, buy huge amounts once a year. Which brings me to pre-cut parchment. Do you ever tear parchment and it has a jagged edge? I freaking hate that. So I use pre-cut parchment. This is by a brand called If You Care. If You Care. I love that name. But I also found this very inexpensive company called Zenlogy or whatever, Zenlogy. Same thing. They fit in a half sheet pen and they'll kind of change your baking life.